Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel BioExplorer. I am Devujaratna. This is an educational channel and this channel will be very useful to improve your biological knowledge. Today in this video, we are going to talk about another two components found in a cell. They are centrioles and central vacuoles. Centrioles. Centriole is a non-membrane bound subcellular component found in most eukaryotic cells. A centriole is a cylindrical organelle made up of microtubules. Each centriole is composed of 9 sets of triplet microtubules arranged in a ring. A bound pair of centrioles which arranged perpendicular to each other surrounded by a highly ordered mass of dense material makes up a structure called a centrosome. The two centrioles in the centrosome are tied to one another. Those two centrioles are called as mother centriole and daughter centriole. Centrioles start duplicating when DNA replicates. The position of the centriole determines the position of the nucleus. Functions of centrioles: produce aster and spindle in the cell division. Central vacuole. It is a large structure found mainly in plant cells but not found in animal cells. Most mature plant cells have one large central vacuole. It occupies more than 30% of the cell's volume. Central vacuole is surrounded by a membrane called tonoplast. It separates the vacuolar contents from the cell's cytoplasm. Tonoplast regulates the movement of ions into and out of the cell. The fluid content in the vacuole is known as cell sap. It contains water, ions such as potassium and chloride, and sometimes water-soluble colored pigments such as anthocyanin. An important task performed by the central vacuole is to maintain tubular pressure against the cell wall. Let's find out what the tubular pressure is. Tubular pressure is the force within the cell that pushes the plasma membrane against the cell wall. It is regulated by osmosis. Osmosis is the process in which water flows from an area with low solute concentration to high solute concentration. When water flows out of the cell's volume decreases. Flow of water into the cell increases the cell's volume. Central vacuoles also contribute to maintain the tubular pressure by the control of water into and out of the vacuole. Tubular pressure exerted by the vacuole is also essential in supporting plants in an upright position. It is also required for cellular elongation. Rigidity of the cells is also caused by tubular pressure. Functions of central vacuole: stores water and other materials such as sugars, ions and pigments. Maintains water balance of the cell. Gives turgidity and support to the cell. Produce colors in some plants with sap pigments. Stores soluble substances needed for cellular activities. So that's for today. Hope you enjoy this video and gain a lot of interesting facts about centrioles and central vacuoles for your biological knowledge. So please subscribe this channel and click the bell icon. See you in the next video.